Hello and welcome to the Chrissy B Show. My name's Hannah Richards and today I'm going to stuff some pumpkins. So guys, I found these cute little pumpkins in the supermarket and all I've done is I've chopped them in half, I've taken their seeds out and then I've roasted them in the oven. That's all I've done. And so you want to make sure that when they come out of the oven, they'll probably only take about 20-30 minutes because they're so small, that they are just a little bit golden. Some bits will be a bit denser than others and you can cut some of that flesh out, but as long as you've got some bottoms with some hollowness in them, you can stuff them. So we're going to use some feta cheese. So take about a third of a block of feta cheese, roughly about that size, and just crumble it into a bowl. And we're going to use some garden herbs. And you'll probably find these herbs in your garden, but certainly in your supermarket. We're going to start with some basil. Just going to take a little bit off there. And all you're going to do is really loosely rip it apart into the smallest bits you can and add it into the feta. We're gonna add a little bit of black pepper and we're gonna add some salt and we're actually going to add a little bit of some turmeric. So just take the ground turmeric powder, you can get this in the supermarket or a grocer's, and you're just going to sprinkle it in there. Maybe a teaspoon, something like that. And actually this time, I'm just going to mix it all around. So you can start seeing it sort of take a bit of color with the turmeric. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. And that's going to help me stick it all together for the pumpkin. Okay, so just take a little bit at a time and stuff each one as you go. So once you've got your little pumpkins stuffed, we're going to put them back into the grill, and this time you do have to keep an eye on them because you don't want anything burning and they won't take very long at all. So they've got a nice little golden crisp colour on them. Watch those dinders as you plate them up, they're very hot. 1, 2, 3, 4, there we go. And there is a perfect little pumpkin snack. It could be breakfast, it could be lunch, it could be dinner, it could be a midnight snack. I'm Hannah Richards, cooking for the Chrissy B Show. I hope you've enjoyed it, guys.